Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x to the power of 6 minus 9 equals 0, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here we first rewrite this equation as you see here. This is our x to the power of 6 and we write it as uh, x cubed and its whole square minus we write this 9 as 3 square equals to 0. Okay, after this step here we need the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Okay, so we use here this nice formula to solve the above equation. So after applying this formula, our above equation is written as in this form: x cubed minus 3 into x cubed plus 3 equals to 0. So here we have a two cubic equations, and so and now we convert this equation into the two cases. So that first case is we take x cubed minus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x cubed plus 3 equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now we solve these two equations simultaneously. So here first we focus on equation number 1, and in equation number 1 here we use the nice cubic formula. But here first we rewrite our equation number 1 as this is x cubed, and we write this 3 as in cubic form, so that cube root, here we just multiply and divide the exponent of 3 by 3, and it is written as 3 into cube root of 3 and its whole cubed, and this is equals to 0. Okay, so after this step here we use the nice cubic formula, and you know about this formula. If we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So after that we apply this nice formula to the above equation, so that our above equation is written as in this form. Here first we write this expression as x minus cube root of 3 into, here you have a square, a is x square plus ab, a is x and b is cube root of 3 and plus b square, so b is cube root of 3 and its whole square. So this is equals to 0. And now we need to simplify this equation. So here we again divide this into the two cases. So first we take x minus cube root of 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we take x square plus cube root of 3 into x plus, here we write this term as, here we move this 2 inside the cube root, so it is written as 3 square cube root. Okay, this is equals to 0. And now after that, here you get the first root of the given equation is cube root of 3, x equals to 3 cube root. Okay, this is the first solution which we get from first case. And now here this is the quadratic equation in x variable, so that here we solve this equation by using the quadratic formulas. First we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to cube root of 3, and c equals to, here you see that 3 square becomes 9, so it is cube root of 9. And now we write the quadratic formula as in this form: x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is the our quadratic formula. And now we substitute these values of a, b and c here, and it is written as minus b, the value of b is cube root of 3 and plus minus square root of b square, so b is cube root of 3 square and minus 4 times of ac, so our a is 1 and c is 9 cube root of 3, or we write this as a cube root of 3 square. Okay, so we just substitute our c is equals to cube root of 3 square. So you get here cube root of 3 and its whole square, and it is divided by 2. Okay, so here we need to simplify this equation, and we write it as minus cube root of 3 plus minus. Here we take common cube root of 3 square, and when you take common cube root of 3 square, so these 2 and square root are gone, and you get cube root of 3 and square root of, here you get 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And after that, here we take common cube root of 3 from the upside, and it is written as x is equals to cube root of 3 into, here you get minus 1 plus minus, here you have 1 minus 4 minus 3, and minus 3 is equals to square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two complex roots which we get here from case number 1. And now we move towards our second case or second equation. So that from equation number 2, here we rewrite the equation number 3 as x cubed plus 3 equals to 0. And now we write this equation as x cubed plus cube root of 3 and its whole cube equals to 0. And here we need again the nice formula. So we know that if you have a cubed plus b cubed, it is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so according to this nice formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So we have x plus cube root of 3 into x square minus ab. So a is x and b is cube root of 3, and plus b square, b is cube root of 3 whole square, and this is equals to 0. And after this step, here we again convert this into the two cases. So the first case is we take x plus cube root of 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we take x square minus cube root of 3 and into x plus, this is cube root of 3 square, it is equals to 0. So from this equation we easily get the value of x is equal to cube root of minus 3 minus cube root of 3. And here in order to find the other values, we need to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus cube root of 3, c equals to cube root of 3 and its whole square. Okay, so we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute the values of a, b and c in this equation, and it is written as x is equals to minus into minus cube root of 3 and plus minus square root of minus cube root of 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is cube root of 3 square. Okay, it is divided by 2 times of 1. So here we need more simplification, and we write it as x is equals to, this will becomes plus cube root of 3 and plus minus, here we again take common this term, and we know that the square of minus is become plus 1, and we take, when we take common cube root of 3 here, then we get only cube root of 3, because this 2 and square root are cancelled by each other, and the remaining terms are square root of 1 minus 4. It is divided by 2. And after this step we have x is, here we take common cube root of 3, and it is x equals to cube root of 3 into 1 plus minus square root of 3 into iota, it is divided by 2. So these are the other two roots of the given equation. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.